Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install the latest drivers for your WACOM One tablet. First of all, connect your tablet to your PC. You'll find the USB Type-C port on the left edge of the tablet. Insert one side of your USB Type-C cable that came with the tablet itself into your tablet, and the other part into your PC. If your PC doesn't have a USB Type-C port, you can use an adapter. After that, we're gonna have to head out to the WACOM official website. Okay, so open your web browser and open any search engine of your preference, and then enter the following address into your search field, into your path field at the top here. Okay, so wacom.com/download. Let's paste it into our path field and let's wait until this page gets loaded. And here, to download drivers for Windows, select this option. Click Confirm Download. And wait until the file is downloaded. After that, you're gonna have to run this file by clicking on it. Click Accept to license agreement. Then wait until the driver is downloaded. It's gonna take a while. And once the drivers are installed, you're gonna have to restart your computer to apply changes. To do that, click Restart Now. If you want to do this later, just click Restart Later. I'm gonna click Restart Later because I want to finish this video first. And so at this point, the latest driver for your WACOM is downloaded and installed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.